Johnson & Johnson, along with three of the biggest prescription drug wholesalers in the U.S., recently agreed to pay $26 billion to settle more than 3,000 civil lawsuits claiming they fueled the opioid crisis.
It's the largest settlement and is likely to remain the largest settlement in the huge constellation of government lawsuits over opioids.
The four companies have not admitted guilt, but investigations show they acted in troubling ways, providing drugs to rural communities where it was clear many of the pills ended up on the black market. Members of the Sackler family that started and ran Purdue Pharma, the maker and marketer of OxyContin, also recently agreed to pay $6 billion to settle a flurry of civil suits. A judge must still approve the agreement. Most of the funds from both settlements would be distributed to states and communities to help them fight a crisis that has killed more than 500,000 Americans since 1999.
The fight has been very frustrating for those who are involved with it. The realization is that opioid addiction is extremely significant in terms of how it impacts people and how they cannot get off of these drugs.
This photo was taken the day before he died.
Lynn Wenkes knows firsthand how addictive opioids can be. Her son died from an opioid overdose in 2017 after a 10-year battle with drug addiction. She filed a claim on behalf of her son to access a $750 million Victims and Survivors Fund that is part of the Sackler settlement. She's conflicted about the terms. The Sacklers haven't admitted guilt, and the deal shields the billionaire family from future civil claims.
There's no amount of money that would bring him back, ease the pain and suffering that my family has gone through. However, the money that the states will be getting will definitely help with this crisis that has been going on far too long, and we have lost far too many lives.
Money from the $26 billion settlement will begin flowing to states this April and will continue over the next 2 decades. Litigation related to the opioid crisis is far from over. The Sacklers could still face criminal charges. And pharmacy chains like CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart face thousands of civil charges related to their role in selling opioids directly to consumers, despite numerous red flags that many of them ended up on the black market. Karina Huber, CGTN.